classroom.
All right, welcome back to another episode of BC Calc.
You said when it's that. Can you make it happier?
Alright, welcome back to
What's on today's agenda, sir?
We're gonna talk about a cool series. I gotta sound like excited. How do I sound like excited, Andrew? You need to coach
Really
me.
high-pitched voice.
I don't have a high pitched voice. I don't have a high pitched
Be
voice.
loud. What's up, guys?
Think you're like screaming at someone. Protect your voice.
What?
Just stare straight into the camera and don't say anything for a couple of seconds, and then start talking. That'd be really funny.
All right. So you guys gonna have a homework that is airdropping you.
The picture was a little too big to do it right.
No. Is it the same as the send to the group chat?
Yeah, it's people already sent on the group chat yet.
No, can you still airdrop it though? My internet doesn't work until I get home.
All right, fine. Since
Loser.
Xavier insists. But I don't see your phone, Xavier.
I swear, it's like on right now.
Think it's just not
Try
like-
iPhone today.
Oh, it's the one all the way on the right.
Like, you said you do it, There's not
iPhone 69. That's so funny.
What if I made my phone number my airdrop thing so people could text me? Wouldn't that be silly? What doesn't make sense? Get your airdrop thing. Like the name. You know how it says Andrew's. Man,
I'm such a good
I gotta go pee.
Where's your mullet?
My wallet.
mullet.
Ah,
Mullet.
he doesn't have one either.
My mullet. Cut it off like 2 months ago.
Yeah. No, I thought when I saw Will come in, I thought like
Is
all
that-
you guys got the haircut on the weekend.
I want to bleach my hair.
I messed with
basically.
Really?
No.
What?
Dude,
I don't think you should bleach your hair too
Huh?
much. If I'm being real, I don't think you should bleach your hair. Frosted tips.
All right. Shh. All right. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about how to convert to certain things.
I know.
So this is the homework I already airdropped to you.
Same here. Yeah.
What did you get homework?
It's on the group chat. I can send it to you if you need it. I don't see where you guys are.
You guys gotta like turn on your phones.
Yeah, mine's on now.
I think you guys have to turn your phones on too.
I think your origami today.
Orlock? Who's that? Is that your last name?
And having to get mixed up airdrop.
I think I lost my ID.
Me sucks, son. Like airdrop, you can't get it as airdrop.
Thank you,
Just
Mr.
wanted to get it airdrop.
Okay. I don't see Will's
It's a
phone.
dinosaur now.
Oh,
Well-
Robert's just sent it to me.
Okay.
I don't think I have it on there.
Dinosaur.
All right, that's fine.
So
All right, so shh. So we're gonna talk about some questions. So for example, you're gonna have some type of question. It can go with several approach, and we're gonna talk about how do you get to a power series representation. Of course, you can choose to use Taylor series, and Taylor series is one of the things that you can use consistently. So let's talk about this. Okay. So
This is called.
Power series representation.
yeah, we're gonna represent function as a power series.
Go represent me with the function is actually the power series.
Okay, so let's just say this f of x is equal to 4 over x plus 2. Is it possible that I can represent something like as n equal to 0 of some type of infinity, some type of x to the n, right? Is it possible to represent that? So then you say, okay, well, of course you can do a, let's just say you can do Taylor series. Okay, so you got a few options. You got first option is use Taylor series. Second option you can use is actually, the weird thing is actually long division. You can actually long divide to get this. The third thing, which is one thing you need to know for sure, so this is actually earned like 3-star mark right here, because this is using geometric series.
Geometric is like the best.
No, please use.
Yeah, but you want to see how it converges.
Okay, unless you want to teach, get up there and teach, or be quiet. Cindy, you really want to, you can get up there. So, all right, so you can do 3 choices. You can do Taylor series on this one, take a first derivative, take a second derivative, take a third derivative, plug in whatever value is, plug in 0 in this case, and you're gonna do it. So I want you to try with Taylor series first, if you know how to do it. Huh?
I think that might be annoying.
It might be annoying.
Taylor series is what we've been doing. It's the Taylor.
I'm saying like taking multiple derivatives. This might be annoying.
Oh, it's just L. Oh, it's not LS.
Maybe annoying.
No, oh, chain roll. Yeah, don't worry about it. It's just chain roll.
Yeah. Just change.
So try it.
What it means to the belly of
Let's go.
So we got f of x is equal to what?
Well, 4 over x plus 2. Oh,
To the -1, right?
Yeah.
What's the f prime of x?
-4 times x plus 2 to the -2.
Very good. What's the second prime?
Positive 8.
Positive. Let's say -8.
Is that okay?
I've done that before.
What is the third prime? What is the third prime?
24.
-24.
F minus 2 to the -4.
It's plus
Okay.
2 actually. You got it.
Plus, it's plus.
Oh,
Mr. Ye, you made an Andrew mistake. You started swapping the negatives.
Andrew mistake.
Yeah, where you just randomly swap a sign.
Dyslexic.
Yeah, probably.
Dyslexic.
Diagnosed.
Okay, so f of 4 is gonna be what? 96. That's positive. Sorry,
Yeah, it's positive.
I can't count.
Well, I don't
X
think we need
plus
to
2
go
to the -5, right?
We're gonna do it until we reach infinity.
No, we're gonna do. I mean, you can do the fifth one if you want, but it's gonna be I don't know, 400 something, 480, 4 negative x plus 2 to the -6. So let's keep on going. Now, how do I?
30.
I'm gonna plug in what?
How is that possible? 6 times 5 is 30. How is
Yeah.
that? How is there a 4 at the in the
It's
first
480.
He is just
480. My bad. I can't count.
Well, it's still very close.
Okay, so
Like 40.
now I'm gonna plug in 0 here. What happened if I get 0?
Yeah.
2?
Yeah.
2, yeah.
two. Yes, yes.
Okay, f prime of 0.
-1, yeah.
4.
-1?
Yeah.
Is it not
Okay.
4 over 16?
I'm gonna trust you. I don't know.
Oh, is it not 4 over 16?
No, 2 squared is 4.
No,
It'd be -4 over 4, which is
Oh, I thought we're plugging in 2. Never mind.
This one's
No, no, no.
1/2.
Plug in 0.
Wait, why is it 1/2?
well, it'd be 2 times 2 times 2.
Well, no, it'd be negative.
Oh, yeah.
So then it'd be
Maybe 1.
positive 1.
Okay, what's the next one?
Yeah, it'd be 1.
Oh, if you guys have noticed,
It's oscillating.
they are like all 1. I think.
It'd be
2
No, 24, -24 over 16.
What is it?
It would be
2 to the 4th is
3 over negative 3 over
Is it
2.
gonna be 2?
Yeah. Yeah, 3 with 2.
If I plug in 0, I'm gonna get 32. So it'll be 96 over 32, right?
No, we're talking about
16, 24.
Yeah.
Oh, 3. Okay, so 3.
3 halves.
Let me align it correctly.
negative 3 half.
Wait, this is F3.
3
Yeah.
halves.
0 is gonna be what?
negative 3 over 2.
-3 with 2.
Negative 3 over 2. Okay. F to the 4th.
I don't know what
That'd be
9
32. That'd be 3.
3. Okay. And F to the 5th.
Oh, this is a hard calculation.
It's
30,
4,
64.
64, 64, Or,
It's 480 over 64.
I know. Oh, yeah.
When you close my handy calculator,
Or, it'd be five.
I don't know where my calculator is. But
No.
there's no.
Just scroll. Just swipe it down on the
Is it
top
five?
right.
It's five.
7.5.
No.
No, hold on. 96 times 5 is 480. Okay, then 480 divided by.
15 over 2.
15 over 2, 7.5.
15 over 2?
But negative.
Negative.
Yeah.
And then you gotta put it in a power series, so it's just what?
Minus 2.
F of 0, which is 2, right?
Okay.
And then minus negative 1,
No,
actually
minus.
plus negative 1, plus negative 1 over 1 factorial, and times x to the 1.
This one I'm thinking.
Plus
Can you write
1 over 2
factorial?
factorial times x squared. Minus.
Over 1 factorial. Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
Plus 1 over 2 factorial all times x squared.
Plus what?
1 over 2 factorial.
1 over 2 factorial,
Yeah. And then x squared.
x squared.
Yeah.
And then what?
Minus 3 over 2 times n factorial. Sorry, 2 times what?
This is 3
Three
factorial, right?
There's 1 over 3.
And then
Yeah, yeah. like
what?
that.
Then it's x to the third,
Mhm.
and one more.
3 x to the 4.
Plus 3 over
4 factorial.
4 factorial,
X to the 4.
x to the fourth.
Yeah.
Okay, let's simplify this. 2 minus
X
X.
over 1 back.
No, just x.
just x
Plus 1/2 x squared.
plus 1/2
Or is X squared over 2?
x squared.
No, X squared over 2 factorial.
It's the same
No,
thing.
factorial.
Well, we're simplifying.
I feel like something is missing. Sorry.
Okay,
plus
that's times.
You have a lot of shit.
Yeah, so true.
So sorry. I feel like something is missing.
Times 3 over 12. And then minus 1/4. X cubed
I could use
plus 4 times 3 is 12. Just 3 over 24, which is 1 over 8. To the 4. So it looks like it's 1 over 2 to the n, but like with a variation.
Oh yeah, no, that's right so far.
Something.
This one's gonna be
1/4 x cubed.
1 minus 1/4, right?
Yeah.
X to the cube.
Yeah.
X to the cube.
Yes.
So 2 is the first term, and this is minus x. This is a plus.
Oh, yeah, same here.
Plus
Plus 1/8 x to the 4. Because it's 3 over 24, which is 1 over 8. I promise history I just.
no, I just want to make sure.
He's just making sure, man. Just give him
Yeah.
Yeah, seriously.
Okay, so that's fine. So it will be dot 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 dot.
Oh,
And you can write a general term about this, and so that's the idea. So this is a lot of work, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's try long division.
well, we'd even solve the thing.
Wait, are we not gonna
It
finish
would
it?
be.
Yeah.
You
we,
can
like-
do that. You can do general term. I just don't have time. So I'm gonna go do the second way.
X.
Let's go the second way. So let's do 4.
Long division.
1/4 x.
What is
plus
the x
one-
plus?
No, yeah, 1/4 x plus 1/2. That's it.
You can do long.
So
Can
no.
we get like 0x plus 4?
How do you do long? Yeah. Oh,
Okay, so
Wait, is that way? Oh, got
Yeah.
that wrong.
It should be 0x plus 4 on the inside of the.
let's try this. So first of all, I want a 4, right? No, I want a 2. I want a 2. 2, that's gonna be 4 plus what?
That's
2x.
It's the long ones on the shows.
So that's gonna be minus 2x. So I can multiply by what? Multiply by negative I want to get rid of negative 2x.
No, it is because it's, let's say you have 24 divided by 8. The 24 would be on the inside of the thing, right? No, we have 4 divided by x plus 2. I'm just asking, can you just do like 0x plus 4 on the inside just to make it easier? Like, you know how you have to have placeholders depending on the degree? What?
Okay, so I'm gonna do minus x here to get to minus 2x, and then that's gonna give you what?
Minus x squared or something.
Minus x squared. Good. So that's gonna give you a positive x squared. And you're gonna do. Do you see that this is matching? 2, x is matching, and what's next one? It's just gonna be plus 1/2 x, right? Plus 1/2 x squared,
How do you
because-
know
because 1/2 times 2 is 1, so it'll be x squared, and then
So you just get the same thing with
plus 1/2 x to the third, and this one's gonna be minus 1/2 x to the third. Okay, so 2 times what becomes 1, so it's gonna be minus 1/4 x to the third. Does that make sense? Do you see that this is a matching now?
Yeah, and then you can just make your general term based on that.
Yep. And then that's gonna eventually it's gonna be true as well. So long division is actually another way, the second way.
Yeah,
It's quicker.
It's actually interesting. Now I'm gonna show you the quickest way.
Okay, good.
Don't be impatient. So we have a Taylor series, pain in the butt, but you guys gotta be able to do it for AP exam. Unfortunately, that just so is. I don't practice a lot. I'm gonna be honest with you. I assign homework, so I don't practice. So a lot of time I'm gonna rely on you guys to plug in. But long division, that's pretty easy. The third way is super easy. So the third way is the most important way. So the third way we put a 3-star on geometric series. So what is geometric series?
A over 1 minus r.
1 minus r. This we're gonna call it best friend. We're gonna use this as a best friend. Okay, and then so what we do is we have f of x 4 over x plus 2. Now, obviously, the first goal is to get this 1 first. How do I get this goal? Well, I'm gonna rearrange that. So that's equal to 4 over 2 plus x. Okay. How do I make it 1? No, you don't multiply by 2. You divide by 2, top and bottom. So you distribute them. So that's going to be 2. And this one's going to be 1 plus x over 2, right? Does that make sense? And then that's going to be 2 over, now I'm going to change that to minus sign, so it'll be minus negative x over 2. So is that the same thing as this? I didn't do anything illegal. But what is nice is this look like this. So eventually, 4 over x plus 2, you can rewrite as summation of n equal to 0 to infinity. Well, a1 is 2, right? And the negative x over 2 to the n. Well, plug in to see what happened.
Oh, so
If I plug in 0, what am I going to get? 2, right? If I plug in 1, what am I going to get? Negative x, right? Which is negative x, good. And then what's next term?
1/2 x.
Plus x squared over 2, right? Minus x cubed over 4. Does that make sense? It's the same as I use long division or Taylor series. It's the same exact thing. So there are multiple ways to approach this. There are multiple ways to approach this. Whatever is best way for you, I think personally geometric series is the best way, and that's why this worksheet is based on geometric series. But geometric series is definitely the best way. But Taylor series, you need to know Long division, if something doesn't work out, you can always try long division to see if the answer is matching, so that it can help you solve a few other problems. So there are 3 ways to approach. Again, first, Taylor series. You have to remember the Taylor series formula. I will actually practice on a couple of them, just match, see if it's right.
So does this only apply to equations like that? Like you can't do it with like e to the x or anything.
E to the x we already know. We know the Maclaurin series of e to the x. We know Maclaurin series of cosine of x, sine of x. Now we are gonna talk about natural log of x in a second. Okay, but it's gonna be pretty intuitive as well. But right now, I want you to try first 4 questions on your worksheet.
I have it.
Oh, actually, I have an extra piece of paper that
I have an extra piece of paper too.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
Oh, I remember that. Years ago.
Ooh, chocolate.
What? Oh wow.
Anybody want some?
I think I've seen a smaller version of that.
Who gave that to you?
I love
Church.
The church?
They use my classroom.
I love the way that's in the dogs.
Thank you.
You want one, Cindy?
Can I have
I don't know. Dark milk dual heart chocolate.
I don't even know what I'm gonna do about it.
Sounds very Valentine's.
Rabid.
Do you have any
What?
Well, even if I had the clothes,
I have no idea. If you die, it's not my
are your
fault.
parents
no, they're not.
I have no idea. Somebody give it to me.
I think my brother's home, but I don't think he has a car.
It's a heart shape. Oh.
Oh. There's all the saber catching skill come into play. Look at that. You can catch a candy now.
Yeah. That's what I've been working for.
It's like a pain.
Yay, food.
Oh, number 1 is
Oh, it's a heart shape. Cute.
Is there anything like in the chocolate, or is it like straight
No, it's
chocolate?
just straight chocolate.
No, it's gay chocolate. Be careful.
This is actually really good.
I'm pretty funny if you think about it.
Oh, wait, I need to take a picture.
Put it in your hoodie pocket. So I
No,
can
please.
no,
Put it in your hoodie pocket so it melts and stays in the low.
No, it's gonna
There's
be.
no nuts.
No nuts. Wait, no, I like catch chicken.
Oh, Jordan just picked it up.
I don't wear them to school because they're too big. You know, I have, like,
What? Yeah, I'm good.
If you die, it's not my fault.
I
You
mean,
read it. It's on your own.
I've never been on there.
I never give it to you. You just stole it from my table.
You're going down.
Honestly, with $10, that's white more.
Where do you stop anyway?
Like,
Well, that's one of the
On the side?
Wheat or
Like,
sour is so bad. Other
Goes too close.
sour is actually like a big thing in Japan, but in America nobody cares about sour food. Yeah, but it's not like the popular opinion.
It's not the popular like
People like spicy food more than sour food.
yeah.
how do I do general?
It's so good.
Well,
Spicy just makes it better.
Maybe back to the end. Maybe back to the end. Like, function. It is?
I'm trying to look for the homework again.
today
Derek, did you get my text?
I did. Thank you.
No problem.
today is Monday the 13th.
Oh my god, I put that one in.
Well, you already got it. You can,
Yeah.
Ratio test is gonna help you find interval convergence.
what do you say about ratio test?
Why do you want to find that? What do you want?
You wanna find out where they work.
The
Where
airdrop?
the power series work.
Not that, just
So we can just keep doing geometric?
No, it depends on which question is best fit, but I give you all 3 methods.
Okay.
Oh, so you can just choose. Alright, on the top.
I prefer you to choose geometric more than any other method. If geometric doesn't seem like it's working out, then you can use the other method.
Oh,
Are you gonna-
like for number 2.
Are you gonna tell us on the
Oh, I want to go over one more question. Hold on.
It does?
I want to go over one more question. One more question is this one. How do I represent this function, 1 over x, in terms of geometric?
harmonic.
No, in terms of geometric. How do I do it in terms of geometry?
Not for long.
Can't you just say it's 0 plus? Can you add back? Can Can you add one on like the top and the bottom? That might
Maybe
be it.
geometry.
No, you cannot do that, but you can do something else
You can
close to that.
multiply by a version of one.
Remember, you want to make it to geometric.
Yeah, geometric.
And so it's
Graphic.
1 minus r. Oh, I get what you mean when you say just add 1. It'd be 2 over 1 plus x.
How about
Oh, wait.
how about plus 1
My-
minus 1?
Yeah,
Minus 1.
I get it. I get it.
And then can I do
You can factor it.
1 minus
Parentheses x plus 1.
x
Negative x.
plus 1?
It'd have to be negative x, wouldn't it?
Yeah, there would be negative x on the inside of the parentheses.
Oh, so it'd be 1 minus x.
Yeah.
1 minus. What? Yeah.
Yeah.
Sure.
1 minus x.
You can't do minus first.
So this becomes the a1, right?
Yeah.
So can I just do a summation? Oops.
If you wanted to, sure.
N equal to 0, infinity. And can I just say is
Oh,
Wait, did we do the last problem wrong?
this gonna be negative of x
No, we didn't.
minus 1? N to the n.
Where's Dave's eye?
9 equals 0.
Does that make sense?
Why do you keep the no? Why do you have that negative on the inside again? Is it r just 1 minus x?
I wanted to have a one, so we should just do that.
Because I want a x minus 1.
Okay.
One and one is equal to zero.
He just wants that. Yeah, you got me there, Michelle.
Think.
At 1 in the morning. It was
I'll be straight to the liar.
yes, because you jumped off the wall.
Okay, show your homework. Come on.
You got information in like 5 seconds.
And Lucas showed me, he was like, "It's fine, you're on homework." And I slid on my ass and just went outside. And I asked him, "Did you watch?" And he did not. Yeah, well, I didn't put where I was after that. And I didn't have a voice to like call out.
What you raised?
What do you think we raised?
This is honestly my favorite calculator now.
Did you watch the Tech TV this morning?
It's really good.
It was so
I
fun.
like the
Everything.
ball. Yeah, it was like a ball chocolate.
That's what
That's too sweet for me.
Instead of Refuge. That was so funny.
I know what you're talking about. It's a with a
Yeah.
really like plastic rubber on it.
Yeah.
Seriously, yeah.
There was just like silence. Nice with though.
All right.
I don't know where I saved it.